how to prepare tea for maximum benefits? Most people don't really know how to prepare tea. People think it is a matter of pouring hot water over tea bags. Frankly speaking, there are actual ways to make tea for best results. It is not just a matter of pouring hot water over your tea bags. Green tea, as well as black tea and oolong tea is made from the leaves of the plant Camellia Sinensis. The distinction between the three main types of tea is the way that they are produced. Green tea is unfermented tea, inferring that the leaves used for green tea are steamed shortly after being harvested in order to inhibit the oxidation of the leaves. Present-day science has been able to establish that green tea is beneficial to one's health, and this is largely due to the fact that the tea contains high levels of antioxidants called polyphenols or flavonoids. Green tea antioxidant activity has been likened to that of fruit and vegetables in a number of studies. One study established that taking 3 cups of tea a day yielded a similar amount of antioxidants as eating 6 apples. Antioxidants assist your body in the fight against free radicals which cause harm to cells and tissues in your body. Latest medical studies recommend green tea to be beneficial in many areas, including the following: lowers cholesterol levels, boosts your immune system, lowers blood sugar, aids in oral hygiene, due to antibacterial properties. Reduces high blood pressure, arthritis, anti-inflammatory effect. Skin conditions such as acne. Helps in digestive and respiratory health. Though all tea is healthy to drink, it is green tea that contains the highest level of flavonoids. In order to get the best from tea, we need to prepare it properly for best results. Follow these steps to get the best from your tea. Step 1. Add good quality cold water into your kettle. Fresh cold water has more dissolved oxygen in it, and that is what gets the flavor off the tea. Don't reboil water. Use fresh cold water. If you reboil already boiled water, you will not get the best flavor off the tea. Step 2. For black tea, just as it attains boiling point, use the water to prepare it. You need the heat to get the flavor off the tea. For green tea, allow the hot water to cool for 5 minutes and use to prepare the tea. Don't allow the water to overboil. Using boiling water to prepare green tea makes it to taste bitter. There is no place for bitterness in tea. Step 3. Steeping time. According to experts, steeping time are the biggest mistakes in preparing tea. While steeping the tea, the color washes off. After about 30 seconds you will get tea color that makes you think it is good to take the tea. The color is quite tempting, but actually it has nothing to do with the taste, flavor, which is still very much in the tea bags. The color is just color and has nothing to do with the taste, flavor. So it is very tempting to start taking the tea after 30 seconds. Best time duration to brew tea is 3 minutes as a minimum. Steeping the tea before the minimum duration of 3 minutes will not get the best taste, flavor off the tea bags. Tea is one of the healthiest drinks among the beverages as it contains antioxidants in abundance and little caffeine. However, some studies indicates that tea affects the body's ability to absorb dietary iron. This is as a result of compounds contained in tea which are called tannins. The tannins in green tea bind to iron. This activity affects the absorption of iron by your body. Tannins are strong antioxidants, a type of polyphenol generally found in plants. As earlier mentioned, antioxidants boost the immune system as well as protect the cells of the body from toxins. Studies further show that tea only affected non-heme iron in contrast to heme iron. Heme iron are the type of iron found in meat, fish and poultry, while non-heme iron is the type found in grains and vegetables. Though green tea can affect the absorption of iron, studies indicate that optimal health benefits can be derived if tea is prepared properly and consumed in moderation. However, since individual bodies differ, consult your doctor if you have concerns as regards green tea consumption. For maximum benefit from tea, studies shows that the best steeping duration is 3 to 4 minutes for green tea, 75–80 degrees Celsius, and 3 to 5 minutes for black tea, 100 degrees Celsius. This implies that you will need to remove your tea bags or tea leaves from the cup or pot after 4 minutes/5 minutes respectively, or drink immediately. The choice depends on how you want to consume the tea, sipping it slowly or consume immediately. The former will require you to remove the tea bag or leaves after 4/5 minutes. Longer steeping time will make the tea bitter in addition to release of tannins. Step 4. It is preferable not to add sugar because it dominates the taste bud and you will not get what is underneath. Using little milk or lemon is fine, or just take the tea on its own. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of tea per day is recommended. This quantity according to studies would provide a dose of 240 to 320 milligrams of polyphenols daily. All the tea varieties are made from the leaves of the Camellia Sinensis, also known as the tea plant. Other herbal infusions such as chamomile tea and ginger tea are excluded as types of tea since the tea plant is not involved in their making. Tea offers many health benefits, especially green tea. You are actually more productive if you take a tea break. Next time you are making tea, follow the above steps to get the best from your tea. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.